Okay, super easy door hinge jig. So this is what we will be making. So the first thing you need to do is rip down 3 pieces to the width of your hinge, the width. Now that we have them ripped to the width of the hinge, you'll see this all come together in a couple of seconds. So we just butt those up, butt that to the hinge there. There you go. Nail and glue that together tight to the hinge, and you have your router hinge. I had to do 2 layers for the bearing of my router. So, see how that works there. Boom, and then I just have it set to be the thickness of the hinge, right? And that's all I'm taking out. First one I made, typically your hinges are 7 inches from the top. I'll have this butt up against the jamb. I can use this either way now. Both sides are 7 inches. And then I can just add my 1/8 spacing when I go to do the door to push it down. And then for typically your bottom hinges are 11 inches, but I'm cutting down these doors. So I've made this one 10. So same thing, 10 inches. So now I can just do that for the bottom, my bottom hinge. So I have a top and a bottom now. So some guys are probably going to lose their minds when they see me do this. It's just an easy way for me to do this, quick and easy. So I'm lining it up, and then I'm just going to tack it on with a nail. Like I said, I'm sure some guys are going to lose their minds when they see me do this, but it's fun. There, and then I can just pop this off, pull the nails after.